Bird and Kip, episode 22, the hottest day ever. The sun was high in the sky, and it was very hot. It's so hot today, said Bird. This the hottest day ever, said Kip. Let's go to the beach, said Bird. We can cool off in the water. The two friends walked. Even the sidewalk was hot. Ouch! My feet, said Bird. Bird hopped from on foot. One foot to the other. Ouch, 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 said Kip. Kip hopped too. They hopped all the way to the beach. The beach was crowded. Look at this feet. Look at all these feet, said Bird. I can't see the ocean, said Kip. Bird and Kip walked through the crowd. Then they saw the water. The waves are too big for a bird, and they were too big for a chipmunk. We can't go in the water, said Kip. How are we going to cool off?